Here's how to play ADOFAI custom levels on mobile. So the first thing that we are going to do is we have to search first if we can play ADOFAI custom levels on mobile. As you can see, no, we cannot generally play official custom levels from the Steam Workshop on the ADANS and ICE mobile version due to licensing and technical limitations. So as you can see, we can find some dedicated mobile players like unofficial methods or play-curated feature levels in-game. However, the Steam Workshop is the main hub for user-created contents. So if you want to use ADOFAI, that cannot be happen, but we can search for more DLCs or downloadable content games that we can actually avail or purchase and we can play it through mobile. So these are the examples of the games that we can play through mobile. Just go to the www.gtua.com category and you'll be able to see these games available.